So we're here tonight really to talk about the American Legion Hall. We're almost there. We're just right under 1.5 million. We're going for a $2 million renovation project only because the foundation needs a lot of work.
The American Legion is going to be the center of Murphy Park. It's going to be one of the most beautiful facilities, and it's all for the community. It's going to be used for community events. I want to thank Samsung for stepping up to the plate.
American Legion Hall, Post 39, and every American Legion Hall is so important to how communities get together. Not too long ago, we like to have some guest speakers come and talk to MAG, our team, and the mayor was gracious enough to come and speak. Military folks are right here in our heart at Samsung. It's our honor and our privilege to support the city of Taylor, especially for the American Legion Hall. I would like to show our donation in the amount of $600,000.